guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be unboxing some more products from my cosmetic line that is launching pretty soon. So I do have these containers here, you guys, that I did pick up from my dollar store, I think, but we're gonna get right started in this video. So first and foremost, we're gonna start off with our palette here, and this is a dual palette. Of course, you can see it has two compartments at the top and then one in the middle. This is our 11/11 palette, you guys. So if you are spiritually awoke and you know what that means, pick this palette up for those new beginnings. But as you can see, it does have a lot of different fall colors in here, spring, you know, all 4 seasons. But do you see how this pigment shows up, you guys? I just did a swatch just so you can see how much it is very pigmented. No fallout, no loose shadow. You're gonna get your bang for your buck, okay? Next up on the list, we do have our brush cleaner, and this is a padded brush cleaner, you guys. So it has a top compartment on the top of it, and then it has a sponge in the middle of it. And this is made out of silicone, excuse me guys, this is made out of silicone. So you have your brush palette in the middle of it, and this is basically to clean off your brushes. If you are a makeup artist, or you know, you just do your own makeup, it is it comes in handy when you're, you know, trying to do several different looks and you don't have the time to clean it off. So next up on the list, you guys, we have our blush and contour palette here, you guys. Of course, it is very nice and chic, you guys, very elegant. And you can see here we have different colors in here, good for bronzing and highlighting on the face, and also some blushes in here, you guys. I'm going to show you a swatch here. This is also very pigmented, you guys. As you can see here, look, it shows up on the skin very well. All of our products are cruelty free vegan products, you guys. And again, I did pick these containers up from my dollar store, and this is just for me to organize my products. If you want to see me organize, make sure you comment down below and I'll upload a video. So next up on the list, you guys, my favorite, which is the glitter pods, you guys. Oh my god, these glitter pods are amazing. Okay, amazing. I'm gonna do a video so you can see how these products are applied and looks on the skin. I know everybody is not the same color, does not have the same, you know, kind of undertone, so it is good to see how it looks. I'm just gonna pause this for just a second, you guys, to look at this. This is like a gold mine, you guys. Look at that glitter though. Okay, amazing. Okay, so you guys, I am going to do some samples. I'm gonna create a little sample so you can purchase if you want to actually see how they look before you buy all of it. You can, but I do have these flakes as well. This was just a free gift, you guys. I didn't purchase these, it was a free gift that my vendor gave me. So we're gonna move on to the brow powder. So this is our brow pomade, you guys. It is very you know, lightweight, and it is waterproof, you guys. So if you don't plan on, you know, taking this right on off, I suggest you don't use this because this is waterproof, so it's not going to come off easily. But as you can see here, it is very consistent, you know, in color, you know, pigmentation. This is our chocolate. So alrighty guys, on to the next. We're moving on to our lip smack. These are our, you know, juicy lips, you know, lip gloss for the lips to be popping. I do have other colors, so I will be posting those on the website as well. Now we're going to move on to our brow pencil. So if you're not too, you know, fond of the dip brow, you can use the brow pencil, you guys. This consistency is very good. I'm actually going to insert a picture here of how I did it on my brows. As you can see, it's very natural looking. I am doing, you know, a swatch for you so you can see. Yeah, so we have different colors, so you can check that out once we launch shows on the website as well. So now we're going to move on to our lip stain, you guys. This is not literally a lip stain. It's not going to stain your lips, but this is very pigmented to give you that, you know, kind of like you drunk some Kool-Aid and, you know, you got stained on your lips. So you have 2 different ends, and the bottom end is more wider. This is a point tip. As you can see here, the swatch is very pigmented. It shows up good on the skin. It's very nice. So you're definitely going to get the bang for your buck, okay? Period. Now we're going to move on to our lip pencil. So if you want to, you know, spruce it up, you can go ahead and line your lips with this, you know, actually not a fold out. I don't know why I want to say fold out. Roll up. This is a roll up pencil, so you guys don't have to worry about sharpening it or anything, and it is very smooth and glidable. So now we're going to move on to our concealer, and why not, you know, conceal those the lids, you know, underneath your eyes, wherever you need to conceal. So this is our concealer, you guys. It comes in a tube. It does come with a felt tip brush in there. This is very, very thick and creamy, a very good smooth consistency on the skin, and it is oil free, you guys. So I'm going to show you here of how it's going to be actually blendable. As you can see here, very, 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 very easy to blend, you know, so you don't have to worry about, you know, going over it several different times. And this is just one little dab, you guys. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to our full coverage foundation, you guys. This is our matte, you know, shine control, oil free for my girls that is normal, combination to oily skin, you guys. This is definitely gonna do the trick for you. It is gonna give you that matte effect, you guys. It comes in this little cute tube here. As you can see, it does say matte effect, so you're definitely gonna get that full coverage along with no shine. You know, I don't know if you like me, but my T-zone is very, very oily, and so I do not like any of that shine, especially when I'm taking pictures. So this is a good foundation for you. So girls, okay, when I say this highlighter is gonna give you life, it's gonna give you what you need to be given when you need to give it, okay? It's gonna be life after death. This is a resurrection highlighter, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the swatch on my hand, you guys, and I am not exaggerating just because this is my line. I'm telling y'all the truth, okay? This is definitely a lifetime of a glow, okay? Look at that. Oh my goodness, y'all, that glow is just phenomenal. I can't even just say nothing else. It's just phenomenal, okay? So now, once you put everything on, you're going to want to, you know, have the primer, you guys. You have to prime your face. So we do have our Easy Glide. This is waterproof, oil-free primer, you guys, and it definitely glides on very, very smooth. It's going to give you that, you know, the effect that you need to put on your foundation and make it stick and make it last all day, especially if you're going out on the town. So yeah, you guys, that's what you're gonna get. And let's not finish it off with our setting spray, you guys. Once you have that face baked and caked, you're gonna go ahead and push this out and give it a little dip and splash, okay? And you set, baby. You can go out on the town and have you a good time. So now, you guys, for my girls who have normal to combination skin, you know, you need a little bit more of a dewy finish. This is our moisturizing foundation, you guys. It is full coverage, so it's definitely going to give you the coverage that you need. It definitely covers up blemishes, you know, marks, whatever you need to cover up. It's going to do the trick. I'm going to show you guys here of how it's, you know, gliding onto the skin and giving you that nice full coverage that you need. Okay, look at that. Smooth, nice coverage, okay? Amazing. Amazing. You guys, so if you are into cosplay, Halloween, you know, just like painting, this palette is definitely good for you guys. It does have 12 quads inside the palette, so it's going to give you 12 different colors that you can choose from, mostly the colors that you actually use on a daily basis. So this is definitely the palette here to go to. I have not yet tried this out on my own skin or, you know, creating a look with it, but I am going to do that. So if you want to see a video on that, make sure you comment down below and I'll give you guys a video of these pigmented paint pots. Y'all, this is everything, okay? I love these colors. Definitely good for all 4 seasons if you have them. Well, I'm in Texas, so our seasons is not 4, okay? It's not. So you guys, this is our matte finishing powder, you guys. So we do have several different colors. I think we have about 10 to 12 colors on this, you guys. And this is a different day. I tried to film this video before and it did not act right, so I had to refilm it again. But as you can see, it comes in a nice dual compact. You have your powder at the top, and then you have a little mirror sponge at the very bottom, okay? Nice. Look at this coverage, you guys. Going full coverage, okay? And this is just powder, matte, waterproof foundation. So you guys, this is the compartment that I did buy from the dollar store. So of course, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you thumb this video up, you guys. Comment down below, share this video with a friend, and make sure you have subscribed to the channel, and I will see you guys in another video.